Want to surprise your loved ones with something truly special, but can't quite think of the perfect gift?
Toys and books have become all too common. Don't you want to give them something truly special?
Well, we have some exciting news to share with you all. Introducing the Educare Skill Gift Coupon. With the Educare Skill Gift Coupon, you can give your loved ones an Educare Skill membership plan.
Now you can gift your loved ones with the greatest gift of all, the gift of learning.
If you wish to buy an Educare Skill Gift Coupon for someone else, the process is simple. Log in to the Educare Skill platform either through the website or the app. Click on the gift coupon button. Enter the recipient's details, such as email address or phone number. Choose a payment option. Click on the Join button for the desired package. Select the membership duration and enter your bank account number. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number to complete the payment. You have now purchased an Educare Skill membership plan for your loved one. A coupon code will be sent to the recipient's email address and phone number.
If you receive an Educare Skill gift coupon and wish to redeem it, the process is equally simple. Log in to the Educare Skill platform either through the website or the app. Click on the Redeem Coupon button. Enter your coupon code. Click on Redeem. Congratulations! You have now received an Educare Skill membership plan.
And that's everything you need to know about the Educare Skill Gift Coupon. I hope the process is clear to all of you.
So, what are you guys waiting for? Get the Educare Skill gift coupon for your loved ones today and start your Dzongkha learning journey together.
See you all soon in the world of Educare Skill.